Hey guys, we are heading to the beach. That was our second surprise for this weekend. Huh, Jasmine? Say hi, YouTube. Hey, that's your bucket, huh? Zoom in on the baby. Say hello. Jasmine, say hi. How's it going, Mom? Gorgeous mother over there. And my dad is over there at the 76 gas station. So while we are waiting in this hot car, we are just waiting for my dad to go get us some drinks. Not the other ones. Come on. Not the bad kind. The kind that like Arizona's, waters, things like that. So while we're waiting, I just wanted to shoot the intro. Huh, Mom? Mm-hmm. So might as well just keep filming. Huh? Mm-hmm. Hello there, Jasmine. Hello. Say hi, YouTube. No, not today. And I am loving this shirt right now. The shirt that you made me, Mom. It is gorgeous. Because you can see my bathing suit on the inside. So cool. But it is hot in this car. Huh. Even though my mom's window over there and my dad's window is open. It is really, really, really hot in California. What? Say hi, self. Say hello. Okay. So I'll see you guys whenever we get there.
Into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang, all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you back. Wait a minute till you. Bang, bang, there goes your heart.
So now we're heading back home. We're all late. Except for my mom.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Husband had a freaking deal, man.
Water baby, that's my girl. That's my girls. They're not scared of water like certain kids.